stem and leaf plots. Let's get a set of data written down here. So let's go with 25, 31, 20, 32, 13, 14, 43, 02, 57, and 23. Now you can have any size data set, but here's the main idea. When you look at your data values, find out what your maximum is and what your minimum is. It looks to me like I have a single digit minimum and I have something in the 50s. So what we're going to do is we're going to split these 2-digit numbers into a stem and a leaf. And what you do is you create for yourself a legend. Now the legend is what tells the reader how to read your stem and leaf plot. If I was to put a 2 here and a 5 here with a line separating it, your reader needs to know, well, how should I read that? Should I read that as should I read that as 2.5? Or should I read that as 25? For this example, we're going to read this as 25. Okay? So now you draw your vertical line that will separate your stems from your leaves and figure out how many stems in succession. Well, you need a 0 for all of your single-digit numbers, and you need all the way up to 5. So I'm going to use a stem of 1 for the tens, for the teens. I need a stem of 2 for the 20s, a 3 for the 30s, a 4 for the 40s, and a 5 for the 50s. And what's helpful is organize your data. And the best way I know how to organize my data is to type it into my list and sort it. So take your calculator out and clear your lists to make room for this data. Okay? So second plus 4 enter will clear all your lists. Okay? And hit stat enter. And so to type the data values in, I've got 25, 31, 20, 32, 13, 43, 02. Do we need to put 02? No, we don't. You can just type it in as 2. Okay? And then 57 and 23. Now to sort data in a list, you press and see that you have the choice of sort ascending or sort descending. I always choose ascending for this purpose. So hit enter, then tell it what list has your data in it. My L1 has the data, so that's second one. And then I press enter, and all it does is tell me it's done doing that. To go see the results, I press that,